A lot of your followers are not your age. They are younger, they are dumber, and they fall for shit that they see. You are absolutely right on that. Absolutely.
And I gave you the opportunity to be a better person, to show options on top of just FX, but also futures and options to do, like I've done so many other people that wanted to build a following, that wanted to help others. I've put them in the same spotlight, and you abuse that spotlight. And you can think anything you want. You can think anything you want. You can turn around and say that I am gaming the system, I'm gaming my followers, but they've been with me from day one. They've watched me grow from 100 followers to 45,000 followers now. And I've always made sure that anything that I've done, I've backed up. And if I've made a mistake, I've owned up to it. And I've always tried to put the best information forward for everybody. And you can talk all you want. You can flap your lips all day, but you ruined yourself today. You ruined yourself today. Yes, you did.
You still have not shown proof.
It doesn't matter. That's your opinion.
I came on here and did exactly what I wanted to do, which is what? Show you guys that Uncle Ted is not going to open up Thinkorswim and show you that he can do the same thing on another platform with another broker. So I actually succeeded. Because I proved here that you won't do it. You won't do it for the money. You won't do it without the money.
I told you. Put up 500,000.
Because again, you wanted me to freeze, frame, focus, and you want to be like, oh yeah, she won't be able to provide that. So if she can't provide that, then this is what she's gonna do.
I just showed you. I just told you. I put up 500,000.
You just did what you were going to do, which is what? Run away.
I'm not running. I didn't run. I brought a laptop. I brought a laptop from my house to show you my account opening live. Exactly. You didn't want to see that. That's what you said before. Show me clicking the button, and I did.
Institutional platform.
And I said, put up the 500,000. I'm not doing it for less.
I don't need to put up 500,000 because you said before that you would do this for the free.
No, I said it before when you had the proper attitude, but you turned around and yeah.
I don't think I changed my attitude at all. Actually,
yes, you have.
I came on here the same way that I'm talking right now.
No, you haven't.
The money.
No, you turned around, you overtalked me, you were rude, you called me a fraud, you insulted me, you did everything you could. Yeah, you did. You said my broker is a fraud. You said that we're on the CFTC list. You went on and on and on and on.
No, I didn't say that you were on the CFTC list. Actually, you're not on there. I said that there's other brokers that are on that CFTC list.
Right. But what did you do? Group me with everybody else. That's ignorance.
Can you prove otherwise?
That's ignorance.
No,
I have proof otherwise. I'm not on the list. I'm not on the list. That's proof enough.
That's ignorance.
I'm not on the list.
Because they follow without knowing. I'm actually the opposite.
You just turned around and said that there's a list of brokers that shouldn't be there, and I'm not on that list. So hasn't that proved your point?
No, that hasn't proved my point.
No.
I said that y'all could be coming up next.
We could be coming up next. We should already be there. We've been open for 3 years.
Other people already on there.
We've been open for 3 years.
Actually, no, Top Forex is not on that list. But that doesn't mean that he's not frauding, or that doesn't mean that broker is not doing some fraudulent.
KOT has been open for 8 months. KOT has been open for 8 months. We've been open for 3 years. It's a big difference.
Okay, but that doesn't mean that you haven't gotten away with it.
Of course. There's nothing to get away with. I haven't done anything wrong. Well, the reason why the CFTC comes after you is because there's a valid complaint and they have proof. That's what regulators do. If you learned your Series 7, that's the reason. That's how regulators.
No, if you learned your Series 7, you would have been teaching the people about futures and options because it's both in there. Did you know in your Series 7 they teach you about futures and options? They also talk about future spreads, interdelivery spreads, intercommodity spreads, but you haven't brought any of that information to the forefront of your traders. But you talk about you trading with a Series 7 and a Series 6. Okay, but why are you not talking about all of this? Because an institutional trader would have a full portfolio of not only forex, stocks, options, no. This is correct. Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not. Portfolio managers, people that manage portfolios, they work in different asset classes. Learn your information.
They work in different asset classes, but the point is, why have you not talked about futures and options?
That's not my area of expertise.
And so forex is.
Yes.
Okay, since forex is your area of expertise, open up on an institutional regulated platform with a regulated broker, Open up Thinkorswim E-Trade and show the people your work.
It negates the servers for MT4 and MT5. You're not on their servers. You're going directly in to the liquidity through the
Why are you
bridge.
still using MT4, MT5?
Because I'm not manipulating anything. I have nothing to worry about.
But why are you using MT4, MT5?
Because that is the platform for retail traders and the popular platform.
But Thinkorswim is very popular, and it's in Canada.
Thinkorswim doesn't allow us to connect to my platform.
Why can't you just use Thinkorswim, period?
I own my own brokerage. I am not going to trade somewhere else. You're having a circular argument.
Why can't you show yourself using another broker to just prove that you can do it regardless?
But there's nothing to prove. I'm not selling anything.
There's a lot to prove. You have
no,
a
there
broker.
isn't. Right. I'm
Just
very
because
successful.
You're not
Thank you.
Courses doesn't mean that you're not making money from the internet.
But I'm not hurting anybody. I'm making money. Of course I am. I work hard for my money.
Ah, okay. But again, you haven't shown the proof of you making this money from the market on an institutional regulated platform and a broker other than yours.
I just showed you 2 years of history, and I can show you more. It's the same thing.
Show it to me on Thinkorswim.
I'm not on that platform.
Listen, if you do this, Ted, you would literally gain so much that
I wouldn't gain anything.
Really think that you would
I wouldn't gain anything
for this long, and you wouldn't actually still show proof. It's crazy.
I have nothing better to do on a Sunday.
Uh-huh.
I'm a retail trader.
On a Sunday, but you've been live with me for now going on 3.5 hours.
Yeah, because the more that you speak, the more people see who you really are. That's the difference.
That's actually happening to you too.
No, it's not. So people hear me speak all the time. My followers see me all the time. I speak every morning. They know who I am.
You haven't spoken on this.
Of course I have.
On this.
Yes, I have.
That's why I'm here.
Yes, I have. I spoke on it lots of times.
You haven't spoken about MT4 fake servers.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I've told people to get API feeds. I've said
API.
That.
I'm talking about the full platform.
People know that MT4 and MT5 can be quote unquote manipulated, as they say.
I'm happy you just said MT5 too, because one of your dogs there said that, oh, I use MT5 and you can't fraud with that. So I'm really happy you just said that, because yes, MT4 and MT5, you can fraud on both of them. And you heard it here from Uncle Ted.
But we know that.
Who said that.
But see, the thing is, this is not news to anybody. You know that, right?
Not news.
No, there isn't.
To all the new traders that are coming to you.
No, this is news to you because you trade futures and options and you know nothing about forex. That's the difference.
I do know about forex.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
What are you saying there that I don't know about forex? I told you that what you should do is log into Thinkorswim and show us, what are you saying that I don't know? You know, even better than that, you talked about the spreads, right? How can you talk about the spreads of TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim when you haven't used it yourself?
Because I know they're bigger, because it's a bigger platform. It costs more overhead. That's where they make their money, on the spread. So they have to increase them to keep their overhead.
But you don't have proof of it. You don't have proof of them having worse spreads.
I do. TD Ameritrade is 1,000 times bigger than my brokerage.
Okay.
10,000.
I'm talking about proof that they don't have liquidity or that their spreads are wider. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, I do. Go on the website right now. Go on the website. Go on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim right now and open it up. Open up the website. Go ahead.
That's what I was telling you to do.
Fine. I'll open up myself. And we'll go through the spreads because they're going to show trading a bit. They're going to show trading instruments, and they're going to show trading conditions. That's fine. You want to be stupid about this? Let's be stupid.
Uh-huh.